Welcome back to 2-Minute Tutorials. Let's get right into it. Today's episode, Color Grading Part 3, The Color Wheels, Part 1. So, for today's episode, I'll be covering the Primaries Color Wheels tab and the waveform. So, starting off with the waveform, like I said in my last video, 0 represents total darkness or pure black, and 1023 represents pure white. Now, over here in the Primaries tab, you can consider lift as the shadows of your image, gamma as the midtones, gain as the highlights, and offset changes the entire color of the image. So first of all, to make this color look a bit more, colorful, we're going to raise the highlights and we're going to lower the shadows. So if I come over here to the bottom of the lift, I can drag it down. So the bottom of my colors, which primarily in this is red, touches the bottom of 0, or top of 0, well, touches 0 I should say. And then I drag the gain up. Usually I would get it so the colors just touch here, but as you can see, there's lights in this photo which create peaks which aren't totally that bright. They're a little bit faded. So that doesn't matter too much. We're going to drag this up. Now, as you can see, that's already made the image look way better. This was it before, and this is it now. Completely different. Next, I want to sort of change the midtones a little bit. So I'm going to drag these a little bit towards yellow because there is quite a lot of blue in this picture, and even though it is snowing, it is the morning, for me I want it to look a little bit more adventurous. So I'm going to go a bit closer to yellow and orange there. That looks a little bit nicer. Next, I sort of want to bring the darkness down because it was early in the morning. So I'm going to lower the offset, which is dragging everything towards a darker version of itself. And as you can see now, my shadows have gone below 0, so I want to bring them up a little bit. And my highlights have dipped below 1023, so I'm going to drag them back up. And now, if we go back to what it originally looked like, and back to what it looks like now, it looks way better. Okay, so now if you wanted to reset one of these color wheels, you just click the little circle up here. Boom, that resets the shadows, for example. If you wanted to change the color of the image slightly, you can drag the offset circle. Say if you wanted the image more red or pink, blue, whatever color you like, you can simply drag that around. Anyway, that's all for today's tutorial. If you learned something new, make sure to like the video. If you want to see Anyway, that's all for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it the thumbs up. If you want to see any specific type of tutorial in the future, make sure to leave a comment and let me know what that is. And smash subscribe to keep up to date with future content. Till next time, peace.